It is narrated the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, he said that there shall come a time on my ummah, upon my nation, upon the people who follow me. They call themselves Muslims, they call themselves believers. There shall come a time on my ummah when their prayers are not prayed correctly, and when high buildings spread in every place, when people swear in the name of Allah a lot about everything without fulfilling their oath, people curse each other a lot, bribery, adultery prevails, people neglect their hereafter in order to buy, the luxuries of this world in exchange for the hereafter. So people come materialistic, pretty much. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that if you see this happening in your time, then seek refuge. Find a solution to get away from all of this. It's not an easy solution, but you need to stay away from all of this. In another hadith, a man said, Ya Rasulullah, what is seeking refuge? How do I seek refuge, protection? What do you mean by that? And Rasulullah said an expression like this. He said, by adhering to your house and keeping your mouth shut, and hold your tongue and hand from doing unlawful until death comes. There's going to come time even worse than this, brothers and sisters, where a person becomes so confused about what is happening in this world, so deluded about everything they see and hear, that they're not going to know what to do and where to go, where to stand, who to stand with, except to stay away from